हेलो फ्रेंड, आज सीखेंगे द अल्फाबेट। हाँ, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, सामने देख के H for hand, I for ice cream, इधर J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sand, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yard, Z for zebra. Bye.